A very happy morning, dear children. How are you all? Fine and healthy? Dear children, today we are going to move to part 2 of your 7th chapter. In the last lecture, we have studied about the parts of WordPad window. We studied various parts. Yes, dear children. Then we learnt how to start the WordPad. Yes? So, today are you all ready to move to part 2 of this chapter? Let's watch a video, okay? So, dear children, let's watch the video very carefully and understand it.
Type text. The Home tab has options.
See, dear children, this is the Home tab. The first one is bold. The second one is italics.
Underline.
Font family.
Font size.
Font size.
Text color.
Text color.
Text highlight color.
Text highlighting color.
Change the style. Fonts.
See, dear children, you have to understand all these very carefully, okay? Bold, italics, underline, font family. This is the font family. This is the font size. This with the A symbol is the font color. Understood?
Size. Text color. Text highlight color. To change the style of text, you should be able to select it. Selection of text. To select.
Now, how we will select the text? हम लोग text कैसे select करेंगे WordPad में? To select a line, bring the cursor to the beginning of the line. हमने study किया था. The small arrow, it is known as the blinking line is known as the cursor. तो हमको cursor को सबसे first में रखना है यहाँ पे. Then we have to click on the left mouse button and drag it. हम लोग cursor को यहाँ पे put करेंगे, left mouse button को click करेंगे and then we will drag it till here. And then we will release it. Understood? This is how we will select the text.
A line. Bring the cursor to the beginning of the line. Click on the left mouse button and drag it over the text to the end of the line and then release it. To select many lines of text, click on the left mouse button and drag it diagonally over the text and then release it. Let us now try out some of the features in WordPad. Click the File button.
Now we will study some of the features in the WordPad. Okay, see here, you can see the small arrow. This is a cursor. Yes, it's clicking on the File button. You can see the yellow highlighting here. Okay.
Select New in the drop-down menu.
You have to study the symbols. Okay, the new का कैसा sign है? Open, save, save as, print, page setup, send an email, about WordPad and exit. You have to study these symbols कि exit के आगे कौन सा symbol है, new के आगे कौन सा symbol है, open के आगे कौन सा symbol है. Understood, dear children?
A blank document window appears. New in the drop-down menu. A blank document window appears. Type the text.
Now see, dear children, here a text is being typed. It is a poem, Hickory Dickory Dock. Okay. Then
change the font.
If we want to change the font size,
first select the title. Click on the font family.
This is how we will select it. Okay, we will bring our cursor here, then we will drag it. Okay, then here we will go to the font family to change the font of the selected text.
Menu arrow and select the Cambria font. Now click on the font size menu arrow and select font size as 20.
हियर इज द फॉन्ट साइज, मतलब जब हमको टेक्स्ट को बड़ा करना होगा तो हम किस में जाएंगे, फॉन्ट साइज में जाएंगे. देन वी विल मेक द टेक्स्ट लुक बिगर एंड बिगर.
Click on the bold.
As you can see the changes here, when we are clicking on the bold, the selected text थोड़ा dark में आ गया. Yes.
Italics.
Italics.
Underline.
Underline.
Click on the text color drop down menu arrow and select blue color.
See, dear
Now
children.
select the other lines and change the font size and color.
This is how we will change the font size, font family, the font color. For changing all these, first we have to select the text. हम लोग जैसे ही text select करेंगे हमारी font size change कर सकते हैं, font change कर सकते हैं. Then we can make it bold, italics, underline. We can do all these things in WordPad.
Save a document. We can
डॉक्यूमेंट जब भी हम अपना काम करते हैं, हमको आगे कभी हमारा वर्क देखना हो, कभी भी रेफर करना हो, फॉर दैट वी हैव टू सेव द डॉक्यूमेंट. एंड देयर आर सम स्टेप्स टू सेव अ डॉक्यूमेंट. लेट्स सी द स्टेप्स.
on the computer as a file so that we can use it whenever we want. To save a WordPad file, follow these steps. Click on the File tab. A menu appears.
Click on the File tab. Where we have to click? Click on the File tab. Then
Click on Save option. The Save As dialog box appears.
when we will click on the Save option, this type of dialog box will appear. And here we have to name our file name. जैसे कुछ poem है, or you can name it also with your name like Raj, Riya, anything you can keep your file name. Okay?
File name box. Type a name for your file. Click on the Save button. Opening an existing document.
Opening an existing document means whatever we have saved in WordPad, हमने जो भी सेव करके रखा है, अगर हमको वो ओपन करना हो, it's already there in the WordPad, it's already there in the computer. But when we have to refer it, how we can open that document? Let's see.
The file you have already saved, follow these steps. Click on the File tab.
File tab.
Click on the Open option.
Open.
Click on the file you want to open.
You will search for your file here. Okay. And then you will click on it. Then you will click on Open.
Open button.
Understood? See, this is the file. Now, whenever we have done our work, okay, हमारा काम फिनिश हो गया, कंप्यूटर पे सब कुछ हो गया, WordPad पे हमने पोएम टाइप कर ली, then we have to close the WordPad. How to close the document? Okay, let's see.
Close WordPad program. To close the WordPad program, follow these steps. Click on the File tab.
File.
Click on the Exit button.
Understood? All these things are in the File tab, the New button, the Save button, the Open button, as well as the Exit button. Understood, dear children? Now we will do a small action time which is there in your textbook. Okay? Dear children, open page number 68. Identify the icons and write their names. I have told you earlier, you have to remember this. Okay, first we will identify the first one, A1. What is it? कौन सा icon है ये? Tell me. It is new. So here you will write new. Understood? The first one is new. The next one, see this icon? हमने study किया था अभी. कौन सा icon है ये? This is the exit. So here you will write Exit. Understood? The third one. Which icon it is? It is open. It is open. So in this way you will complete your action time. Understood? I know you know all these icons. This is bold, this is font size, this is underline. बस आपको correct spelling के साथ लिखना है. Yes, dear children. We will meet next time with something more interesting in computer, and then we will solve the worksheet as well. Okay? Till then, bye bye. God bless you all.